Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop receiving emails from Candy Crush Saga. If you want to stop receiving emails from Candy Crush Saga, first of all open the Candy Crush Saga application on your device and log in. After you are logged into the game, go ahead and tap on the gear button, which should be located at the top right or at the lower left. This will open up the settings menu where you'll need to tap on My Account. Now, under My Account, click on Privacy and Security. If you have previously enabled emails from King, simply toggle off the button right next to Get Emails from King option. Right after you do that, you will then be able to stop receiving emails from the platform. So that is how it's super easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more tutorials like this. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.